Hi, kiddos! I'm so excited for you to be in first grade and to be in my class and for me to learn more about you and for you to learn more about me and for us to just become a family. This is a little bit more about me before you get to know me more. I'm 28 years old. I've recently been engaged. I got engaged on my birthday last May. This is my fiance, James. We're getting married next May, so when you're finished with first grade, I'll be getting married. I went to the same elementary school that you all are attending right now, so that means that I was born and raised in Garden City as well. I have two older sisters, so here's my family. This is my mom and my dad. This is my oldest sister, Kendra, and her husband, Jeremy. And then this is my middle sister, which she's still older than me, Jenny, and her husband, Daniel, her daughter and my niece, Kiana, her son and my nephew, Caden, and then Jenny is pregnant with a little girl on the way, so hopefully by September I'll have another niece. I've recently bought a house, so that's been new and exciting. This is my 5th year teaching. I went to school at Wichita State University, go Shocks, in Wichita, Kansas. And I'm currently chosen to go back to school to get my master's, but this time at Fort Hays University in Hays, Kansas. Some of my favorites are, my favorite color is pink, pretty much any shade of pink, but the pale light pink is my absolute favorite. Favorite Sonic drink is cherry limeade, but I'm not too picky with Sonic drinks. I love them all. Favorite subject is writing. If I'm really passionate about something or I have a really big idea, I will write for days. My favorite store is Target or TJ Maxx, which can kind of get me in trouble. I like to shop. Favorite coffee is iced mocha. I don't really like warm coffee. I like iced coffee the best. My favorite sport is basketball. I played basketball from 3rd grade all the way through high school. So it is a huge, huge passion of mine. Favorite candy is chocolate, except for mint chocolate. I don't like mint chocolate. And my favorite football team are the Kansas City Chiefs. What we will learn this year, we are going to have so much learning going on this year, but just a little bit of introduction of what some of the things we will be learning. We'll learn how to write our numbers from 1 all the way to 120. We will learn lots and lots of sight words, 156 of them to be exact. We will learn to add and subtract double digits. Double digits are like 23 and 54 and 42. We're going to learn how to do that. And we're going to learn how to write a beginning, a middle, and an end story all by ourselves. And we're also going to learn how to tell time on a clock. Okay, so those are some really exciting things. That's not all we're going to be learning, obviously, but that is just a little sneak peek of what to expect. So now it's your turn. I want to get to know you some more. I want to be able to see all your wonderful faces. So I want you to go onto the Class Dojo app, which you should be on right now. That's how you're watching this video. And I want you to introduce yourself as you're recording, just like you see I'm doing. Okay, I want you to tell me some of your favorite things. Tell me one thing you did this summer. And what are you most excited about for first grade? And it can be anything. It can be seeing your friends again. It can be learning how to read all by yourself. It can be just meeting new people. Just think about what is something that you just can't wait for this school year. And then upload it to Class Dojo and be looking for a little comment from me. I look forward to working and teaching with each and every one of you, and welcome to first grade.